Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you've got a Steam library that's bursting at the seams. But with modern games taking up tens or even hundreds of gigabytes, it's easy to run out of storage space on your PC. So today I'm going to show you how to check your Steam game storage usage in Windows 11. And I'll also cover how to move and uninstall games to help you manage that precious disk space. First, we'll check storage using the Steam client. The easiest way to check the sizes of your Steam games is directly through the Steam client. Here's how to do it. Open up Steam from your system tray or desktop shortcut. In the top left corner, click on Steam and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click on Storage in the sidebar. You can toggle which drive Steam folder you want to see at the top using the drop-down menu. Now you'll see all your installed games along with how much space each one is taking up. You can check the boxes next to each game to see the cumulative size at the bottom. It's pretty cool, right? This gives you a clear picture of which games are eating up your disk. The other method you can use is to check individual game sizes through Steam. If you want to check the size of a specific game, you can do that directly from your library. Go back to your Steam library and right-click on the game you're curious about and then select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Installed Files or Local Files tab. Here you'll see the size of installation, which tells you exactly how much space the game is using. You can also check the total storage used through File Explorer. If for some reason you cannot access the Steam client, you can use File Explorer to check your game's storage usage. Open File Explorer and navigate to the drive where Steam is installed. Remember, if you have multiple library drives, you'll have to choose the correct drive. By default, it's usually C, Program Files, x86, Steam, Steam Apps Common. Here you'll see folders for each of your installed games. Right-click on the game's folder and select Properties. In the Properties window you'll see the size and size on disk of the game. To check the total size of all your Steam games, right-click on the Common folder and select Properties. Remember, this method might take a bit longer because Windows has to calculate the sizes, especially if you have a lot of large games installed. Now that we've figured out which games are hogging your storage, let's talk about freeing up some space. You can either delete games you no longer play or move them to another drive. So let's go through both options. To uninstall a game through Steam, follow these steps. In your Steam library, right-click on the game you want to remove. Hover over Manage and then click Uninstall. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Uninstall to proceed. If you want to uninstall multiple games at once, go back to Steam, Settings and click on Storage. Select the drive where your games are installed. Now, check the boxes next to the games you want to uninstall and click Uninstall at the bottom. If however you want to move those games to a different drive, instead of clicking Uninstall, click Move and select the destination drive. Just remember that if you haven't created a Steam library folder on the other drive yet, you'll have to do so first. Now you know how to check your Steam game storage, usage, and manage your library more effectively. Keeping an eye on your storage not only helps your PC run better, but also make room for new games. See you next time.